Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, November 11, 2013. Before we jump into the charts, we'd like to wish all the veterans out there a happy Veterans Day. Today is the Veterans Day holiday. The bond market today will be closed. So just so that everybody knows that and is fully aware, the bond market is closed. But the stock market will be trading a full trading day as normal. So again, a lot of other businesses will be closed. I believe a lot of federal businesses, but the stock market is open for a full day of trading, but the bond market is closed for today. So again, that's what we are today. Veterans Day holiday is upon us, and we'll see how this market plays out. Again, expect light volume overall. That's generally what we get on a Monday anyway, but with the Veterans Day holiday today, I think we could probably see much lighter volume. Now, a few things we want to go over today. One, there is a big biotech buyout taking place. So it looks like ViroPharma is getting bought out by Shire. So let's just pull up that stock. VPHM is ViroPharma. If you own this, congratulations. Great move. Closed at $39.56 on Friday. Stock is now trading right below the $50 level. Again, don't short this. You can't buy it here. This is just going to flatline and trade sideways for the most part. Normally, the acquiring company stock will go down, and the company that is buying ViroPharma is, the ticker symbol is SHPG, and you'll see it. The company is Shire. So this company is up, but I would not look to buy this one right now. This probably needs to pull back, or probably stalls out. I don't have a great play or setup for it right now, but usually the acquiring company, the company that makes the purchase, that is spending the money, their stock will usually go down in price, and this one is gapping up pretty sharply today. Shire closed at 134.40 today and is trading at around 139, 138.57 at the moment. Did trade as high as 140.50, but is starting to pull back. But do not look at that one today, since it is very overbought already. Looking at a few other names out here today, Transocean. This one will be in play today. Stock's getting a little bit of a pop. The news, I think, was already factored in. If you take a look at a daily chart here, what you'll see is that the news was already factored in. But what the news was is that Carl Icahn is going to cut the board, and I believe they're going to do some kind of a buyback or a dividend. I forget exactly what it is. But anyway, it has a Carl Icahn involvement to it. So again, don't look for much upside here. I think around 55 and 56.50, two big resistance levels. So the upside should be limited for Transocean, either way you slice it or dice. So once again, we're not going to look for much upside here. It's not a great fade candidate, but I would not be a buyer. Depending on the intraday pattern, it could be a fade candidate. But we need to see a little bit more once the opening bell rings. So keep that on watch. Another stock that could be in the news today, well, will be in the news, but it could be volatile, is Amazon. Amazon coming out with news that they're going to start Sunday delivery. So I don't know how much of an effect it's going to have on the equity, but nonetheless, equity's trading at $349 this morning. It did close at around $350, so really unchanged for the most part. I don't know if that news is all that big or that important, but they will be starting a Sunday delivery for the holidays, I believe. So either way, the stock could be volatile once the opening bell rings today, and we'll see where this thing trades out. Usually we're able to get a couple of Amazon trades every day, or find some at least good levels where the stock is playable. I just want to reiterate that bond market is closed today, so again, don't look for much out of the bond market because the bond market is closed for the Veterans Day holiday. Let's take a look at gold this morning. Gold, for the most part, really basically flat, trading down about $1.40 at the moment to $12.83.20 per ounce. If we take a look at the all-important GLD, you'll see that the GLD is sitting really right around 123.78. It closed at 124.27 on Friday afternoon. So we're not going to make too much out of it. Pretty flat for the most part. Oil is a little bit lower today. Oil is trading down about 35 cents to $94.25 a barrel. If we take a look at the USO, which is a good proxy for light sweet crude, you'll see that's trading right at $34.02. So not a big deal either way. Kind of more flattish than anything else, so we're going to probably just leave it like that for the session. But remember, expect light volume throughout today's and throughout the entire trading day today, especially with the Veterans Day holiday upon us. There could be some stocks in motion. Look for most biotechs to be strong, at least initially at the beginning of the day. Whenever there's a takeover or a buyout like there was today, there will be sympathy plays in that. So, again, a lot of small biotechs, which have been very strong lately, should continue to be strong, at least in the morning hours before the market settles in and really, I think, is a little bit on the quiet side for the Veterans Day holiday. With that said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts. Take care, everybody.